AtlasFibre Pro Application Overview. Welcome to the presentation of AtlasFibre Pro. This app is designed especially for fiber optic technicians. It simplifies work, reduces errors, and speeds up interventions. Everything is built to be fast, clear, and accessible for everyone. From the very first launch, the app respects privacy and GDPR rules. A clear window lets you accept cookies, customize your choices, or limit them to the bare minimum. Preferences are stored locally and can be changed at any time. AtlasFibre Pro lets you quickly identify a fiber, check its exact color, its position inside the tube, and even convert codes between several international standards. In just seconds, the technician has all the essential information on screen. The app is multilingual. Thanks to the strings.xml files, it is available in 20 languages. Whether you are in Switzerland, Brazil, India, North Africa, or elsewhere, you will see the same information automatically displayed in your local language. The business model is based on ads but with transparency. Banners appear discreetly at the top and bottom. Interstitial ads only show up at specific times, without interrupting work. Nothing is forced or shown by surprise to the user. The first technical step is to configure the cable. You set its total capacity, the tube type, and the fiber number you are looking for. The app automatically adapts whether the cable contains 12 fibers or more than 1,000 fibers. If you select a 12 fiber tube, fibers 1 to 12 use the classic solid colors. For a 24 fiber tube, fibers 13 to 24 are given striped colors. This prevents any confusion during splicing operations. The next step is to choose a color code standard. AtlasFibre Pro includes Swisscom, France Telecom, DNVDE for Germany, TIEIA for the United States, and Nexans S12. Each standard has its own clear and visible rules. For example, the Nexans S12 standard colors only the first 4 tubes and leaves tubes 5 to 12 in white. The app shows this rule with a reminder below the selector, allowing technicians to work for different clients without mistakes. The diagram view displays a circular representation of fibers. Fibers 1 to 12 form the outer circle, and fibers 13 to 24 form the inner one. The selected fiber is highlighted, and the technician can zoom into the drawing. In Nexans S12 mode, an extra badge shows the tube color currently in use. This is very useful to reduce connection errors or to train an apprentice directly on the field in real conditions. The app also provides a full fiber table. Each row shows the number, the color, the corresponding tube, and any match with another standard. It is a quick reference for planning or for serial splicing operations. Another key module is the conversion chart. It allows you to compare to color standards and instantly see how to splice them correctly. It saves a lot of time for technicians working across different networks. AtlasFibre Pro also offers a colorblind mode. This mode adapts color display for users with visual impairments. Colors are reinforced with patterns and contrasts to ensure clear and reliable reading in all conditions. The interface is modern, built with Jetpack Compose. It adapts automatically to different screen sizes, whether on smartphones or tablets. Every component has been designed to remain simple, clear, and ergonomic for field use. A material you design is applied, with light and dark themes, consistent typography, and rounded buttons. The user experience is smooth, intuitive, and pleasant, even during long working sessions. At the core of the app, a view model and live managed state. This keeps the current selection or cable setup saved. If the user closes the app, data is restored automatically when they come back. AtlasFibre Pro is also ready for growth. All color data and standards are stored in JSON or Kotlin classes. This makes it easy to add new cable standards or update diagrams in the future without heavy changes. Navigation is straightforward. The top bar allows quick access to the main menu or to switch standards. Clear cards group the different sections such as table, conversion, diagram, or configuration. In summary, AtlasFibre Pro is not just a practical tool. It is a complete companion for fiber optic technicians. It reduces mistakes, saves time, and brings consistency that is essential on work sites and during training. In the field, a technician may receive a 400 fiber cable. Without AtlasFibre Pro, he must pull out a paper chart and search manually. With the app, in less than 10 seconds, he finds the right color and the correct position. A real example in Switzerland. During a connection in a Swisscom central office, technicians use cables with local codes. AtlasFibre Pro lets them switch without mistakes from Swisscom code to TIAA when an international client is involved. In Brazil, an installer needs to connect a municipal network using a Nexans S12 cable. Thanks to the built-in conversion module, he can immediately see which fibers match those of a standard European cable. In North Africa, a trainee discovers G657 cables. The trainer activates the diagram mode to show the circular layout of the fibers. The apprentice can zoom, understand, and memorize faster than with a simple paper chart. AtlasFibre Pro also becomes a teaching tool. In training centers, instructors project the app on a screen. They switch standards live, and students see in real time the difference between Swisscom, DIN, or Nexans. The time savings are measurable. Searching for a fiber in a 288 fiber cable can take more than a minute with paper. With the app, the same search takes about 15 seconds only. It also reduces errors. A splicing mistake can cost hours of troubleshooting. By clearly showing color correspondence, AtlasFibre Pro prevents these losses and improves the reliability of interventions. Visual comfort has also been addressed. Dark mode reduces eye strain at night. Light mode remains readable in bright sunlight. Colorblind mode makes the app accessible to everyone, even under challenging real-world conditions. The future of the app is already planned. New standards will be added, such as ITU-TG65-D or the latest porting codes. The JSON architecture allows quick integration of these rules without rewriting the whole code. Another evolution is local intelligence. In the future, the app could automatically suggest the most likely standard depending on the country or cable type detected. This will further reduce configuration time. Thank you for watching this presentation. To stay updated with our news and projects, follow us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/SwissDigitalIT. Join our YouTube channel SwissDigitalIT to discover tutorials, demos, and upcoming features. And finally, stay connected through Instagram SwissDigitalIT to follow our updates, behind-the-scenes content, and real-time news. AtlasFibre Pro, the reference app for all fiber optic technicians. Download it, try it, and save time on your work today.